Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Ali Huzuddin bin Ahmad Fauzi. Today I'm going to talk about a deadly bacteria that called Clostridium botulinum. So let's get to the introduction. So let's start with our introduction. Clostridium botulinum is gram-positive, rod-shaped, anaerobic, spore-forming motile bacterium with the ability to produce the neuron toxin botulinum. Botulinum toxin, which can cause botulism, is a severe flaccid parasitic disease in human and animal. Botulinum is a diverse group of pathogenic bacteria initially grouped together by their ability to produce botulinum toxin and now known as 4 distinct groups.
Hi, and my name is Afi. We continue to the slide. What is a botulinum toxin? So, botulinum toxins are the one of those lethal substances known. Botulinum toxins block liver functions and can lead to respiratory and muscular paralysis. So, this human botulism may refer foodborne botulism, infant botulism, wood botulism, and inhalation botulism, or other type of toxifications, just like a drug, poisons, and anything food that contained by botulinums. So botulinum toxins are ingested through improperly processed food in which the bacteria or the spores survive, they grow and produce the toxins. So just like a sardine tin can, that botulism can affect the sardine because the processed food can are not good and the can is broke. So the botulinum can affect the food and give poison to humans. So that's
Hi, my name is Syed Muhammad Hirzi bin Asma Faizal. I want to explain about types of botulism. There are 3 forms of botulism. First, foodborne botulism. Foodborne botulism is a serious, potentially fatal disease. It is an intoxication usually caused by ingestion of potent neurotoxin, the botulinum toxin found in the contaminated food. Botulinum toxins are ingested through improperly processed food in which the bacteria or the spores survive, then grow and produce the toxins. Second, infant botulism occurs mostly in infants under 6 months of age. When infants ingest C, botulinum spores which germinate into bacteria that colonize in the gut and release toxins. 3. One botulism occurs when the spores get into an open one and are able to reproduce in an anaerobic environment. This form of the disease has been associated with substance abuse, particularly when injecting black tar heroin. That's all for me. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Rizal bin Nasri. They have 3 symptoms. Is it foodborne botulism, wound botulism, infant botulism? Foodborne botulism is characterized by descending flaccid paralysis that can cause respiratory failure. Symptom of foodborne botulism have 5. Is fatigue, weakness and vertigo, dry mouth, vomiting, and diarrhea. Second symptom is wound botulism. The symptom is similar to foodborne botulism. And lastly, infant botulism. Symptom of infant botulism is weakness, constipation, loss of appetite, and altered cry, and striking loss of head control. Next, we go to the treatment. Have a three type of treatment. First is medicine, second is therapy, and last is nutrition. Using medicine is a antitoxin for removing toxin in blood. Antibiotic for treating infected wound. Second is therapy. Therapy is rehabilitation for improved speech, swallowing, and other function. And last is nutrition. Nutrition have 5 tips. It is eat foods that serve hot, avoid contaminated food with soil, avoid honey for infants, avoid long store dairy foods, and last, avoid canned food that has been damaged.
So hello, my name is Muhammad Naim. So I'm going to explain about common foods that are contaminated with Clostridium botulinum. So the first one is damaged canned food. Damaged canned foods such as leaking, balding, or badly dented canned foods. And the second is damaged store-bought food such as rotten foods that are easily decayed. The third one is baked potatoes in aluminium foil, and then oil-infused herb, and lastly bottled garlic. These are ways to prevent Clostridium botulinum. The first one is to get a heat sterilized canned foods. The vegetative forms of bacteria can be destroyed by boiling out. The spores can remain viable after boiling, even for several hours. However, the spores can be killed by very high temperature treatments such as commercial canning. The second one is the WHO 5 Keys to Safer Food. This is the basis educational programs to train food handlers and educate the consumers. They are especially important in preventing food poisoning. The 5 keys are: first one is to keep clean, separate raw and cook thoroughly, and keep food at safe temperatures, and also use safe water and raw materials. Okay, lastly we got the conclusion. Clostridium botulinum is potent bacterium capable of producing neurotoxins, leading to severe botulism in human. Understanding its characteristic, optimal growth condition, and preventive measure is crucial to mitigate the risks of botulinum toxin exposure and ensure food safety. Strict adherence to proper food handling process technique remain essential in preventing the growth and toxin production of this bacterium.
Audio Jungle.